see? That's good. My wheel don't stop. Never mind this. Never mind, I'm almost close, so it can't. How do you make? Here is the guide. So this is my new launcher. As you can see it. I got it as a Christmas gift. And I'm so excited to fix it today. But I'll need my papa's help. Papa, can you help me please?
Sure.
Okay.
Here, this one, the curved one.
And this is
Join.
just a bit loose, so we need
That's
to
okay.
forward. Just a bit more pressure.
To one side.
This is the way we have fixed. We've done two setup.
Join.
This is one kind of came out.
Have to fix it. Make it a little bit tight.
It's a bit hard. Just
It's tight.
a bit
Yeah, a little bit more.
more. So now you can open this part.
It is it.
Do carefully. I think that's the last one.
Let's see.
Actually, we need to make it a bit back. There's not enough space. Oh wow.
Now we need somewhere this rubber also.
I don't think we need that rubber. We don't need that rubber. It looks like. No, I think we need that rubber to keep the dinosaur his teeth. So this we need to move it a bit back actually. Then we'll connect this to this. So that's the thing. We need to connect this to this. So that's the main problem.
Long track.
So how will we connect this and this? That's a bit of problem. It's hard, it's hard.
I think these are the extra. I think one is extra.
One is extra.
So if we need to make it a long one, or if it get damaged, then we can use it.
I think it's the extra one. Yeah, you should see that.
Yeah, it's a long track already.
So first thing, where is that piece?
Which one?
This gate.
Oh, this one. This is just a
Kind
piece of.
What is
Plastic.
this?
I think.
Now look from here.
Is this somewhere mentioned here?
Oh yeah. So this is actually the map.
Yeah.
Instruction.
Didn't see that.
Oh, it's given.
So, but this piece is not given anywhere. I think this is also one extra piece or something.
No, that I think we will need it.
Where should we keep this flag? Let's
Then here.
connect this.
Here is the flag.
I think we have to connect this.
So once you reach here, it will.
Stop.
The
Oh,
flag
there is.
or something. I'm sure.
I think this one is here. Yes.
So it is just kind of a
Yeah,
gate.
you're exactly right. Give me here.
Okay.
But what leaves it there?
Here. This keeps it here. The mouth.
Oh, what's that blue thing over there?
This one.
No, the blue thing is this.
So is it? So I think with that we have to fix it somewhere.
Very, very confusing. Too confusing.
This one is the.
I was thinking. But that's the problem. Or wait a second. Wait. Yeah, exactly. Do. Keep on going. You're doing it correct. No, you're right. Give it. Right. So it becomes like this. And then it hits it. So you actually.
Here it's showing something. E.
Yeah, so look, this you
I
keep
think
it
we
here.
have to fix it.
Yeah, you fix
somewhere.
it here.
Wait.
You
The
Here.
road.
Stop. DD. Here.
So
Here,
actually,
if you want to
yeah,
make it
if you want to make it long and you have to want to connect,
Yeah,
then you can
like
connect through this.
So
So
that
this is one extra one, so we can keep it
You
aside.
can keep it, yeah.
Yeah, if you want to make it longer, then we can use this.
And the problem is that why do we need this?
Uh,
No, then how will you
This
connect?
for the launcher.
Let's see now. By launching.
Wait.
let's see.
For launching, it is required.
Yeah. Yeah. It's required. It's
Yes.
required. Give it.
You put this one at the both ends. No, not like that.
I
Here.
know.
No? No, not there.
Then how?
See this. You have to make a V at the end, like this.
A V. That's so confusing. You help me? Now I remember. Oh, why do you even have to do that?
You leave it, then it will go.
Can you help me?
So this is simple. So you hold it with this, and then leave it. That will go. It's just to stop it.
Okay. So one. Okay, I'm doing it now. Look, if this is here and now I'm taking this. I'm taking this.
Okay.
So let's try it again.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it is this to connect with this or something. Oh yeah. So give that to 1,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
3.
Wow.
But if you're right over there.
No, it has to come. I have to hold. So the dinosaur is eating.
So I think this will make a big problem. So let's remove this now and try once.
All right.
Oh, what happened to his leg? You can move it.
Go.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Try one more time.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, like this. So I think the rope will do something.
Okay, now try.
Hard to let it go. So the rope might do something. Wait, how fast was that? Whoa!
Wow.
Zoom. Yes. Okay. Now in the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1.
Okay.
Finally comes the dinosaur. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
So that finally got succeeded.